Welcome to this EquatIO input video. We will cover handwriting, speech-to-math, mobile, and LaTeX. For the handwriting input, we simply want to click the pencil with the squiggly line leading to the A. We will solve the following equation. 2x minus 6 divided by 4 equals 2. We can type with the mouse, or if you have a touchscreen, you can use that as well. So I'm going to start with the mouse, and I will put in my equation 2x minus 6. And notice the input follows along on the right-hand side. And I will say equals 2 times 4. And you can see it predicting along the way what I'm typing. And then I can use in second line, I can say 2x equals 8 plus 6. And that 8 didn't come out right, so I can scratch that out. And I can put in an 8 to fix it. For the last line, I'll use my touchscreen. So I will type in 2x equals 14. I will type in x equals 7. And now notice I don't want that to be next to each other, so I'll come over here in the math and give it some space. And then say insert. So I have my answer and my work shown for my solution. The next thing we can do is we can take a look at speech to math. To use speech to math, simply click the microphone. The speech button starts recording when you click the red button. It goes into the math side, and when you're ready to stop, you stop. 2x minus 6 equals 2 times 4. I pause my speech. There's more I want to say. I'm going to insert this math first. And then I will delete that. 2x minus 6 equals 8. Insert my math. And so on and so forth. 2x equals 8 plus 6. Two x equals 14, x equals 7. Notice I didn't get the x that I wanted. I can just correct that by backspace and x and put a space between. I can insert my math, and finally I can see everything that I've done. If I want to separate this now with lines, I can just simply use enter to go between. For mobile input, we choose the picture of the cell phone. I'm not going to spend long on this, but I want to show it here with the other types of input. With Chrome on Android, you need an app to read the barcode. With an iPhone, you can just open the camera app to read the barcode. And also you can use the website m.equat.io on Chrome or Safari. So then that's how you get this. And what the mobile does is automatically interprets that you have this document open. So you'll see once we open it. I've connected my cell phone to show what this looks like. So we will solve this equation. I'll open my camera app and I can interpret the barcode. And notice I have an input choice. That's what I've named this document that I'm working on. Alright, so I can choose to either speech, I can choose handwriting, or I can choose to take a picture of my math. So I'll do the handwriting first to show that. Okay, so 2x minus 6 equals 2 times 4. 2x equals 8 plus 6. 2x equals 14. Finally, x equals 7. We say check. We can save that as math, or we can save it as an image, just like that. So I'll save it as math. Uh-oh, we have something that's up with that. So I'm going to insert that and show you that it goes right into the document. I can go back and edit as the 6 didn't show up very well. The other way I can do this is I can take the picture of the math and do this with pencil. So I can do this again. We're going to scan the QR code. Choose Input. And this time I'm going to choose the camera to take a picture of the math. All right, I like that. Again, I can turn this into math, or I can save it as the image. This time, I'll save it as the image, but it will convert that into math. And I'll press Insert, minimize that, and we have the math work showed up as mobile. The last input method is called Latex. It's a code by way of putting in mathematical expressions. The one way this is important is if you copy information from a website that you find and the math shows up a specific way or is a very specific type of equation and you don't want to try to reproduce it. So what you can do is grab the LaTeX code that makes that equation. So I would go down and choose LaTeX. So I can input the LaTeX. I just simply have copied it already, and I say Control V for pasting. And notice that the math shows up on the right-hand side. I can insert the math, and that is what the LaTeX looks like. So that's the one major instance where you want to use LaTeX, is when you grab some other code that's already been written and it comes out just how you want it to look. Thank you for watching this last input video.